On this video, I'm going to show you a very easy way to hide your Instagram following list and also your followers list, so that when people come to your Instagram account, they won't be able to access and see the people that you are following and also your followers. Also, if you have any question towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, to get this done, what you have to do is just open your Instagram app and log into that account. And then once you've logged into your account, click on this three dot icon that you can see at the top. And then one thing I need to tell you guys is that if you're actually using a business account, this is actually not going to work. This will only work if you are using a personal account. So if your account is a business account, make sure to switch it back to a personal account. So once you've done that, while in settings, you just have to scroll down a little bit and you are going to see this account privacy. So if your account privacy is not actually turned on, make sure to turn it on. So once you turn it on, your account is going to be on private and people will not be able to access, your following list and also your followers list anymore. So let me show you guys how it's actually going to look like if your account is turned on as private. So once you come into my account right now, you're going to see that I won't be able to access the following list, or rather the followers list. So as you can see, there's no access. So this is actually a quick fix for you to actually stop people from accessing your followers list and also your following list. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I'll be trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.